Scan ang QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Carlin Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Maruma Kala 0. I'm joined by Nkuna.
Tibo.
Yeah.
Mina angithandi lento abayenzayo bafowethu.
Yiphi?
Lento ukuthi bathi uMasindi uza no coach what siwinile Sithibo.
Yes.
Asijabuleni.
Yes.
uJunior Khanya ubuzile.
Yes.
Uthi mama uthi uJunior Khanya mawufuna ukudla ichip uzodla bani? Uzodla bani?
Uzodla bani? Khosi uzodla bani?
Mawufuna ukudla ichip uzodla bani?
Khosi uzodla bani?
Sasa silala Sithibo.
Yeah.
Siyodumuza.
Yeah.
Manje asilali Sithibo.
Yeah.
Siyandlula Witbank.
Yeah.
Siyembombela.
Yeah.
Siyodumuza.
Yes.
Okay Sithibo Sithibo asigene egemini. Bafana badlalile.
Yeah.
Umbokazi.
Yeah.
Safety Jane umfana kaGogo.
Yeah.
Siyabonga.
Yeah.
Nathi sijabule kakhulu sibalandeli.
Yeah.
Mara ucoach akayekele into yakhe ukuthi mascore igoli.
Yeah.
Ayojabulana amaplayer bazomphula laba. Wayenze njengale coach le uDiego Simeone Atletico Madrid. Always Atletico Madrid mayikora. Uhamba ayojabulana namaplayer. Yes. So siyabonga nemarket ka coach la i2. Lo munye bamtolikela badlala kusasa. Mara all the best yes Galaxy siyominya khona le.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?